Here is how to find hidden apps on your Android device. You can usually find apps by swiping up to open the app drawer. However, if an app is hidden, it won't be there. The easiest way to find hidden app is to go to your device settings first, then scroll all the way down and go to apps. This will display every app that you've installed on your phone, even those hidden from the home screen or app drawer. You'll see the total number of apps and you can scroll through the entire list, including the apps with multiple instances. And another option is to open the Google Play Store. Then after tapping the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen and select Manage Apps and Device. Here, go to the section of Manage that is beside the Overview option. And this will give you the list of the apps that are installed on your device, which are organized by the installation date. And you can filter the list by name, last use, and other criteria. This is a useful way to find your apps that you might have overlooked on your home screen. Hopefully this helps you find any hidden apps on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.